How's it going, everybody? My cat Das Trucks here with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our current and active inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you're seeing, leave a like. Today's vehicle is a 16-foot box truck, a 2017 Ford E-350 Super Duty. This truck is ready to get to work. It's a 176-inch wheelbase. It is a one-owner truck. It is a flex fuel vehicle. It's got 107,352 miles. And we'll start off with the wheels and tires here on the driver's side. Wheels have been repainted. Tires have plenty of life left on them. Check out the box right here, which has been repainted and is in great condition. All right, coming back to these rear tires. All right, checking out the box. This truck is equipped with a ramp. The box is in great condition. There's your dome lights as well. All right, let's check out the passenger side. Check out the wheels, tires here. All right, now this front bumper has been repainted. Let's check out the interior. Okay, this truck has been detailed on the inside and outside and under the hood. The interior is in great condition. Let's hop inside here. All right, let's start her up. Here's the 107,352 miles. Let's check out the engine. All right, this truck does have a 6.2 liter flex fuel V8 with a 6-speed automatic shiftable transmission. All the filters and fluids are new. Can take that E85 gas, save you a little more on the pump there. All right, and there you have it. This is your 2017 Ford E-350 Super Duty. If you'd like to find out more information about this truck, the link to our website will be in the description below, as well as our phone number where you can contact us. As always, thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.